Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the sleek and stylish convenience concepts Palm Beach Spindle Table, a versatile piece designed to complement any decor with its glossy white finish and spindle design legs. Measuring 17.75 inches in length and width and standing 24 inches tall, this table is perfect for any room in your home, whether you need a chic end table or a convenient spot for your favorite lamp. Crafted by Convenience Concepts, this table promises easy assembly with its included assembly guide, ensuring you can enjoy its elegance and functionality in no time. The Palm Beach Spindle Table is not only a customer favorite but also ranks impressively as number 51,291 in home and kitchen and number 178 in end tables on the bestsellers list. With its durable construction, this table is designed to provide years of enjoyment, making it a smart addition to your home furnishings. Its global trade identification number is 000952854130096, and it comes with the assurance of quality from a trusted manufacturer. So, if you're looking to elevate your home decor with a touch of elegance and practicality, the Palm Beach Spindle Table is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.